Jaden party we are talk about my outfit when me I wear. Cause me I wear my tie-eye booty up here so. Me not care up here so I can't go too much of my outfit. Number two, my top very naked. Cause my body look good. So me gonna show the whole of them girl and boy with the on the app. We always talk about Shebby naked and Shebby this. Me gonna show girl and boy how to come out. Remember not tailor not dress me can make my clothes. Me no wear fandangles. Jaden, my cranny man. Me no want nobody call my man not eat boss. Don't call him not eat boss. Oh, don't call him no eat boss. His name is Jaden. His name is Jaden. Don't call him not eat boss. Me no want to feel comfortable with my man. Me never come by here say it and disrespect none of the BFR. His name is Jaden. Yeah. Browning love me now. You know say me left Hardy cause him sign drop off. The Hardy sign drop off so me left Hardy. I'm with Jaden. Okay. Just so to know that. So nobody come on here so with it. Oh, remember Jaden rock up the internet, you know. Oh, at Jaden internet after speed gone back. Come here, Jaden now keep party. Come here now. Then we not talk about Jaden a keep party. Hey, Jaden first ever birthday party, September 12. The link is in the bio. The link is in the bio. Jaden party a go ram. It a go ram. Jaden party a go ram. Me na ask you. Tell me I tell you. So me not have to go. What you say? A Jaden that you know. Eh? A Jaden that I forgot Jaden party. Me not ask nobody no question. You don't know me by my cabana. You don't know me by my cabana and go with my securities. Yeah. The party there I go big. The party there. I feel say them should have rent which pass some fest keep. I'm up here. Party there I go round. Me nah like the party I got at. The party I got at, I feel it already. I feel it already. Me nah lie. I feel for dress up from now. For all my anxious. People, you see to all my anxious? I feel for dress from now. You don't believe me? None of you on my program don't believe me though. To all my anxious to go Jaden party, I feel for dress up from now. You don't know, and me and Bria going on. Me and my big old friend Sabrina and Kayla go. We're going to bang down the place. We're going to bang down the place. That worse, Michelle here fly down feet nurse or we're going to bang down the place. Me not ask you know. I'm supposed to blush. I'm hey girl, I wish big old girl pan this, but oh God, me I blush. I'm supposed to blush over my alien looking cocky head man. You come and talk about me. I wish idiot girl is for my program. The girl don't know me. The girl really don't know me. I'm supposed to. Could I be right? I know you from now we around here. Me in my church. Oh. My man keep him function. I envy him. I envy Jaden. The whole of I envy Jaden. He might keep him function. And it a go slap. It a go slap. Oh. Let me tell you that. Worse, I pick up my outfit already. Worse, I pick up my outfit. Yeah. Auntie, me have something to tell you. Go tell your community. I gather your children, them and reason with them. Tell them everything before you pass off like happy wife. Gather them and reason with them, my love. You hear? Now come tell me nothing. Go gather your children, them. We don't want some together time. My love. A 2005 for go, I want him raise the fee. The party I got slap. I feel so the ticket them for sell for $5,000. I just feel so. I pay people I fly down for it. She not pass yet. It's raining Shebada now. My AC. My AC want service. The man not come yet. Yeah. I feel say $5,000 Jaden for sell him ticket them for. I too much foreigner fly down. Too much foreigner. Yeah. I can't deal with this. Yeah, I just feel so. Jaden are the boss. I would this send my request. See
How are you doing?
Still very fabulous, very delicious.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kingston.
Oh, you from Kingston? Nice. I'm from Kingston.
Yeah.
A battle again, TikTok battle. You don't know?
Like a match?
Yeah.
Hey, so reading a match, read.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Why would you wearing a lipstick on? Oh, you gay? Okay.
If I'm rap?
Are you gay?
Hello.
Jesus Christ, and then Jesus.
The woman said, Jesus Christ, Jesus, Jesus. Oh my God. The woman said, Jesus Christ, Jesus, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my, Jesus, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, Jesus, Jesus. No. But you know, you're my accent. I can't even understand her. I'm gonna say, oh my God, Jesus, Jesus. Me don't want one more somebody text me. This feel nice though. This feel good. And it's more somebody else text me. Back to the party now, people. But me say we don't want to hear about Rosalie over here, so we don't care who she wants to spit and fight. Same script, same cast. We want something new. Call Tyler Perry. Call Tyler Perry. Call Tyler Perry. We don't want that. We don't want them. We don't want them. Jaden party we are talking about my outfit when me I wear. Cause me I wear my tie-eye booty up here so. Up here so my booty are there. Me no care. Up here so. Yeah. Right up here so my booty are there. Me can't go too much on my outfit. Number two, my top very naked. Cause my body look good. So me gonna show the whole of them girl and boy with the on the app. We always talk about Shebada naked and Shebada this. Me gonna show girl and boy how to come out. Remember not tailor not dress me can make my clothes. Me no wear fandangles. Me no rocks that wear pan riches. Me no wear fandangles. Yeah. Me a show them girl and boy upon the app. Me no ask me know me go crick neck. Me know me go crick neck. Me know me go very naked. Very naked and fully accessorized. Me nah ask them girl and boy, I'm gonna show them what star or star for look and how star for dress. Them girl and boy are dressed like too much black and mango was selling a heap. Yeah? No chicken. It's true. Them girl and boy are wait. People, me I come with about 15 man. 15 man me I come with. Me I rent 2 cabanas. Me nah ask no 2 cabanas. Now ask, show them girl and boy how to put themselves together. That's why I don't mind looking like this now, you know. Remember me not sleep in a filter, me not eat that girl. Yeah, a Jaden this. And me forgot all out for Jaden. 15 man. Do you understand when I say 15 man? Hey girl, my education you check. Hey girl. Cassie. If I ever box up your door table, and my education you come for a while ago. Hey, you caught me. You catch me a while ago, Cassie. You catch me. Yeah. Yeah, me not ask you. You catch me education. Now for true, 15 men me I walk with. Remember? Yeah, me are in 2 cabanas. 2 cabanas. Me not ask you, Jaden I go blush when him see me. Me not ask you no. Jaden I go blush real bad. So all the ear go. No fret about the ear. No fret about the ear. When you see the ear come out, you gonna say a Shebada. You say a Shebada. Eh? Come on, bleach out my ear, you know. Come on, bleach out my ear. Me not put in a ponytail, man. I want bleach out my ear. Bleach it out and get a color. Nice bright color like how me wear full black. My lip I go in a red. And me I wear my turquoise lens them. My turquoise lens them. Me I put in. Jaden me I come out, me not disappoint you. Me not in a lie. From Fabi to wife I go eat me when them see me. And me can walk in a heels. Wanna know my nails I go turn up. Everybody pan here so know my nails I go turn up. I bet you when all TJ see me, can't recognize me. I don't feel no way because I have self-control. I have self-control, but I don't know who control who, because sometimes self-control, control self sometimes. Yeah. Oh, my forgot Bob dancehall. Oh, my forgot Bob. Me gonna show up all of them TikToker here. Jaden party I go huge just because Jaden I come from a humble place. Humble place, yeah. And him so hot on the app. And everybody love him, like him, under me love him. Everybody like him, under me love him. Yeah. It a go sell off. It a go sell off. I pro them already. No, Sister Winnie, me I go. Me I go, Sister Winnie. Me I go for true. Me know Jaden party I go sell off wickedly, and that me like. I wonder if Annie I go. I hope she go. If Annie I go, I hope she not bring the 7 crave them, you know. I hope she not bring the 7 crave them. Oh, I wonder if Rosie I come. Me know Fabi I go. Me know Fabi wear dress or pack up pants. But me know Fabi I go. Yeah. And if you come, please do not bring them jing bang them. Nobody bring your breed out them. Them for call Annie the ants send him to backside. Kaka family, that's them for call them the ants family them now. For ants them name. Yeah. Bring my video. Me I order my clothes from overseas. Me I order my clothes from overseas. My booty I go look good because I see it already. Right up here so my booty there. And my pants tight for me, I think I tights. I know the whole of them all look for me. And then my blouse I go bad. My blouse I go bad and I go fully accessorize. Fully accessorize. When Jaden see me, I bet him want to chop the cake with me. Eh? I bet him want to chop the cake with me. The boy they go, you know, say everybody gonna know say me and Jaden really there with him see me. Time can't control himself around me, you know. He can't control himself around me. Yeah, he can't control himself around me. I man that. Me now win a file paper. Hey girl, move and come off from my program. Eh, you see my favorite jerk poke like Rosalie? Come off from my program about file paper. Me know if I put myself together, me never go theater and look like disco ball. Eh? Me never walk into the open area and favor club. And Rosalie alone outside and dressed like inside. Move your nastiness, but me go wear file. You can't chat to me, girl. And me class people about lightning catcher. Oh, and hurricane season the next to it. So know what you do. Then my eyes them are shut. No man, my eyes them can't stay open. You never know. When you see me step out the me not in a line, me go full up the FYP. And me know that. Me know that for a fact. Me go full up the FYP. Me know that. Cause when I put myself together, when I go say, I'm me and 15 boy apart, 2 cabanas. Me not ask, you know, 2 cabanas. Make it make sense. And no fun never see me out yet, you know. No fun never see me out locally. Cause me always out internationally. But a lot of you people never see me go one of them function yet. You understand me? Me know say a whole heap of black opal I go there. A whole heap of sweat and dirt. Me know, but me I go show them how to walk in a sun and look cool and it's not balm, ya balm. Yeah. Now ask you 15 boy and me I walk 15. The man says this is not gonna be stars among stars, this is gonna be stars amongst clouds. Yeah, me not ask you know. My plan for eating people. Oh, you mean you have nightmare over Jaden? Hey, if you don't like Jaden, no come in my yard. Some of them must have nightmare over Jaden. I'm the only alien will love me.
I'm not tell you Jaden no. What do you saw? Your body take a red. What do you man? You dig it up on Jaden. How Jaden have so?
What is the problem?
What kind of wood him have? What's there?
An alien.
Curve?
Did that curve?
Yeah.
It fever when cane grow bad.
No, my top, what the wood they do?
Yeah.
Like you have nightmare.
And it showed me off of the bed.
Come and sleep and drink for the body there. Yeah, mama says you like the body they do. And you don't get it yet though.
Over.
Yeah, imagine though.
Over, me get it. Even last night.
You get last night? And when him come?
No, me go.
Are you go? Yeah. I like say you put out Ibol.
Who name Ibol? Who name Ibol?
The Ibol and him share the house.
Ibol? Who name Ibol? Jaden a give me a bun?
Yeah.
So who she?
Boy, I don't know. You have to find out.
Jaden live with woman. Who name Ibol? Hey girl Ibol. Who name Ibol? Who she?
That man.
Huh? Jaden live with man? You confused me now. Who is Ibol?
No man, I'm friend. You know.
One boy?
Yeah. Ask the chat there. Let him tell you.
Jaden live with man?
Let me tell you.
You must be joking.
You're not good to him.
Yeah. No, who name Ibol? Ibol. You don't want to know how me know who name Ibol. Who name Ibol? Let me say you are so cold.
Sit there, man.
Who name Ibol? He must have come out of the house.
Yeah.
So why when me I come them in and see Ibol there?
Can put him out.
Where you want Ibol in now? Put him out.
Right now.
Oh, you mean him not live there? Then give him the scandal bag. Nyamod, at that me say. Oh, you mean not shouting in your ears? You go like you can't hear well. Jaden.
Jaden or Jaden?
It's French.
Oh.
Don't speak about. Not Ebol. Come never know say Ebol did I him leave the dirty plate them in a sink. I him leave the dirty plate them in a sink.
So you have dancing on September the 12th.
Yeah, me I go. Hold on. Me call it back.
You have only part time doing now?
No, me I go.
No, let me say you have only part time.
I had my outfit already.
Yeah, you have only part time doing.
Me I go.
Remember you have to try beat
me, Brina, Kayla, Nurse.
Yes.
You don't want to come?
Yeah.
You come?
Yeah, come.
No, honestly, you come?
Yeah, come for true.
Jaden, yeah. Party slap where?
Yeah.
Party slap. Don't forget. Nah, call him it. Me don't want to talk to him from the line.
Yeah.
Party slap where Jaden. It hurt me, say. Wait him about Ebol for.
Then I man, you know, ask the chat, then I tell you.
Who is Ebol? Ebol I got dressed hotter than you. Ebol can't, hey, big one. Hey! I wonder if Pamela lose her man. Whoa! Cause she a malfunction. Your name fit your bitch.
Trying to make Evil beat your bad for true. Try to come up better than him.
Ibu can't win me. Girl, you know me already. Remember Sammy little and cute, you know?
Remember the Evil suit that come now.
Evil suit must have come from Spencer's tailoring. Now ask you. Me know me a mash up Evil.
That come now on the plane.
Upon what? A casket. Me know me a mash up Evil. Evil can't dress. Evil don't look good. Evil don't look good. Oh, Pamela,
you know
yeah.
Yeah. Do you know him yet?
Me know my mate?
Yeah.
Yeah. All of them. Him send them picture.
Before
Before him and him send them picture. I wonder if she come. Boy, if she no come, me I go vex.
She don't come.
Any old she no come my enemy party, me I go vex. At the boy first party, him not have no mother, him no resemble nobody where we know. You understand me? Can do even a birthday.
Yeah, only your mother, nobody
nobody do even claim him and the little you too old.
Yeah.
The little
so the orphan still.
Yeah, the little you too old and nobody don't proud for come out to him. Shay, you need to come. You need to come, Shay. You have to push all of the animosity aside and the brutality and the enzymes and turn up. You gotta come, Shay.